Hey Pioneers, this is the plate-loaded leg press machine. When we're doing a leg press, in general, regardless of what kind of machine it is still a compound movement, meaning it's using a lot of different muscle groups in the legs. It is not spinal loading, so it tends to be a better option if you have problems with your spine or back pain of any kind, as long as your head and back and butt all stay in contact with the mat. So there are a few things that you could do to make sure that that happens, and that means don't lower your legs too far when you come down, and it means that you might want to adjust the seat for your preferred angle. So if I want to be leaning further back than this angle right here, I'm going to lift. So now it has a further lean back, which is more comfortable for me and my hips and my low back. If it's really upright, as I lower my legs, I might start to notice that my butt comes off the seat. If that's the case, then I'll want this setting. When you load a machine, even if it's gonna be even when you're pressing it, for the health of the machine, please load both sides evenly. So I'll load 25 to start. When you get into the machine, you'll step in, sit down, and you use this stopper as your guardrail. So it won't go any lower than this guardrail allows. I want to use whatever foot position is comfortable for me in foot width. Start with about shoulder width and mid-height with a small bit of toe out. These handles, after you press up, you can push out, and you'll see that they rack right here. You can also rack it on the higher option if you're a taller person. And after they're pressed out, I can perform my reps without coming off the seat. And when I'm done, set it back down. This will work the quadriceps, adductors, abductors, hamstring muscles, and a little bit of glute as well. And that's the plate-loaded leg press machine.